Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Mathematical Economics. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss how to derive marginal functions from total functions. So we are going to discuss derivation of marginal function from total. So now let's understand how we can use the concept of differentiation in this case. So suppose we have total function with us, for example total utility or total cost or total revenue. If we differentiate this function, differentiation of total function gives us marginal function. So that means we can use the concept of differentiation in economics to derive marginal function from total function. Let's understand this with the help of example. So suppose we want to derive marginal utility function. So what is marginal utility? It is the change in total utility. The definition is change in total utility due to an additional consumption of 1 unit. That is marginal utility. So now suppose our total utility function Tu is function of Q, where Q is the quantity. So therefore marginal utility is the derivation of total utility with respect to Q. Let's understand this with example. Suppose total utility function is 10Q minus Q square. So therefore marginal utility is derivation of Tu with respect to Q, which is equal to 10 minus 2Q. Now if Q is equal to 3, then marginal utility is equal to 10 minus 2 into 3, which is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So the marginal utility of the third unit is 4. Now we are going to understand marginal revenue. Let's understand marginal revenue. That is MR. So how do we define marginal revenue? Change in total revenue. It is change in total revenue due to a 1 unit change in quantity sold. So therefore total revenue is a function of quantity sold. So marginal revenue is the differentiation of total revenue with respect to Q. Let's take one example. So suppose our total revenue function TR is 100Q minus 2Q square. So therefore marginal revenue is equal to dTR by dQ, which is equal to 100 minus 4Q. Now suppose Q is equal to 10. So in this case marginal revenue is equal to 100 minus 4 into 10, which is equal to 100 minus 40 is 60. So the marginal revenue of the 10th unit is 60. And last we are going to see how to derive marginal cost function. Marginal cost, MC. So what is the definition of marginal cost? Change in total cost, change in total cost due to a 1 unit change in output. So therefore TC is also function of Q. So in this case marginal cost is the differentiation of total cost with respect to quantity. Now let's see example of this. Suppose total cost function TC is equal to Q square plus 5Q plus 50. So now marginal cost is dTC upon dQ. So it is 2Q plus 5. Now suppose Q is equal to 4. So therefore marginal cost is equal to 2 into 4 plus 5, that is 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So when quantity is equal to 4, the marginal cost is 13, or the marginal cost of the 4th unit is 13. So that is the idea of marginal functions or derivation of the marginal functions from total functions. So that means we can use differentiation to derive marginal functions from total functions. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.